I have one line out with a half a mullet on there. Tuesday evening, came to give it a look to see if I could fish. We just had a little bit of rain and some heavy wind, and it blew down the road signs. The water looks all right. A little bit wavy. Wednesday evening. I haven't tried the ocean in a while because the south wind and this wave just doesn't usually work out for me. There's enough wind that there's a lot of current on your line if you do any long distance casts. I tried a little bit one night and it was just a croaker and a small whiting.